It is section 6.2, dealing with missing data and categorical data. First, I want to say about pandas, which is a Python data analysis library. Using pandas, you may deal with problems in your data sets, or you can improve the quality of the data sets. Okay, in the first subsection, handling missing data. Once you find missing values, then you can use one of these three. Removal of samples or features is simple and efficient. However, you may remove too many samples or features. Filling the missing values manually, it is one of the best choice methods. But if you are dealing with a large data set, then the workload will be very heavy. So you may choose the final method, imputing missing values using computed values. The common used values are mean, median, or mod. Or you can choose some other values computed by using the machine learning algorithms. But it has also a big drawback. It can generate bias in the data set so that the classification accuracy can be very low. Okay, here, now handling categorical data. It is quite common that real-world data sets contain one or more categorical feature columns. However, your machine learning algorithm is numeric based, so that you have to assign number for categorical features. Let's look at this example here. And some feature is given in this way, like a cloth size, medium, large, extra large. This one is, these are a sort of ordinal features. And now for that, you may assign 0, 1, 2 for it's becoming larger and larger, so that you can assign here larger values. And this can be done either the features or for the labels. And you can assign in this way. That is called the ordinal encoding or an integer encoding. Now here, let's look at another example. That is now nominal features. That is blue, green, red. These are names, and there is no order from each other. So that if you try to encode by using integer 0, 1, 2, then in program, in machine learning algorithm, it may used as a magnitude. 1 is larger than 0, and 2 is larger than 1. So that here in the program, this magnitude is used, then most likely your machine learning algorithm will have really low accuracy. And so that rather than this integer encoding, we may try to use such vectors. And for example, blue can be changed into 100, green may be changed into 010, and red will be 001. In this way, you can put just only by using 1 and 00, and you may distinguish blue, green, and red. That encoding is called one-hot encoding. And in scikit-learn, you can find one hot encoder, so you can use it quite conveniently. Now, for categorical variables, and if there is no ordinal relationship, then the integer encoding is not good enough. And if you assume a natural ordering between categories and using integer encoding, then your algorithm will perform very poorly, and also you may get unexpected results. One hot encoding can be used although ordinal relationship exists, so that you may here try to deal with the categorical data without giving them any magnitude-based bias, so that you can deal with the feature very effectively. Okay, this is the end of the section. Thank you.